best of best. iRest massage chair is iRest everything. iRest.
Massage functions and adjustments for A305. When you start, you just press this button and it will scan for 2 to 3 minutes. It will go onto angle where you feel comfortable. Once this starts to scan, it will do from your top to bottom. Then you can go straight to comfort. Press one more. It will display all the massage areas, including the duration of the time, the intensities, and foot rollers and leg kneading. This is leg kneading. If you want to stop the leg kneading, you can just press this button. If you want to adjust the intensities for your legs and arms, you can press intensities. See, you can see it going down to level 1. There are 5 different automatic massage functions. This is now in F1, which is comfort. If you want to focus onto your shoulders, you can press shoulders and neck. It will change to F4. And now it's on your neck. If you want to go down, you just need to press this button, shoulder position. You can see the position going down. And now heating. The heat comes through your back. You just need to press heating button and you will see the red sign on the back of this display. And now we'll go into manual. This is a manual function. At the moment it's on kneading. If you want to change to different massage styles, you can just press mode. You can feel the tapping along your back. When you press this button, it will give you different range from spot to different section of your body. At the moment, it's behind your shoulders. By pressing the down button, it will go down to your waist. It's traveling down to your waist. Once you're done, you can release and experience different style of massage. This is tapping and kneading at the same time. Have a look. And now we will go into foot roller. It's on level 2. You can go up to level 3. When you press one more, it will turn off the foot roller. Let's press one more and start our roller.